Welcome back again. Today we're going to be showing you how to configure the client side of your ldap. ldap client side. The prerequisites are you have to have ldap server already. This is how to configure your clients so that you can get connected to the ldap server. Alright, so we're going to install the package right now, and it's a group installation. Remember that. It's not the normal yum install. It's yum group install, and it's called the directory client. Use the wildcard asterisk so that it installs everything that comes with it, and then -y to say yes to all of the options, so you don't have to type yes all the time. Alright, so we're installing. We're going to be done in a bit. Done. We're done. So I'll just clear the screen. So what next to do is to do the configuration, which is system config authentication, and then you get this little window popping out, and when it pops out, go here, user account database, choose ldap, choose ldap, put in your domain name next. In my case, the domain name is example.com, so it's just going to be dc. You don't put example.com, you put dc, example. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be dc equal to example, dc equal to com. That just means example.com. My ldap server, get the details from the administrator here. My ldap server is ldap.dat instructor.example.com. Please be sure to use the TLS to encrypt your connections, so you don't be sending clear texts across the network when it has to do with your passwords. Also, you have to click here to download the CA certificate. Find out what path it is. In my case, the path is instructor.example.com/pub/ remember that Linux is a case-sensitive operating system. You have to give it exactly the way it is. It's not like Windows that can do the resolution no matter what, if you put in capitals or in small caps. Alright, that's the path to my certificate. Okay, got that. Here, you choose ldap password. Alright, and then you apply. Now, watch. When you apply, watch your main the SSSD service starts. That's the service that you need. Once you see that, you know you're on the right path. Yes, we got the SSSD service started already, so we're on the right path. So we just try to log in to see if we would get the right error message first. So let's see, SU ldap. I got my server 24 here, so I'll just use ldap user 24. User 24. Yes. Warning, cannot change directory, blah 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 blah. I got that error message just because I have not made an entry, to mount the home directory of this ldap user. Alright, and how to do that? I have to go in a file, do some auto mounting in a file, two files, one called auto.master, which is in the etc folder, and the second is auto.miss, which is also in the etc folder. So we start with the auto.master. Vim etc auto.master. Alright. We'll just insert here home/guests you need to find out what the home directory is so that you can mount to the right path. This is the directory in this case, home/guests. Please be sure not to put a slash after the guests because it's going to seem like a command in here. Alright, it's a path, a directory. Alright, and then after that we're going to direct it to go to auto.misc for the rest of the entry. etc/hotel.misc. We got that. Save and exit. Now what next to do is to make the entry in the auto.misc now. So we just do vim/etc auto.misc, and then we make the entry. I think here is fine. ldap user 24 tab. The fs type just basically means file system type. Fs type is NFS, comma, we have a read and write option, comma, we also want to state the NFS version. So this is NFS equal to, which is the version 3, and then we want to put in the path here, instructor.example.com. Please don't forget this colon. A lot of people forget this colon and it really messes up everything. Yeah, so the colon and then home. No, I have a slash before that. /home/guests, and then /ldap user. Let me just increase the size of the window a little bit. ldap user 24. Okay, fine. Save and exit. Saving and exiting now. Alright, so we need to restart the auto FS service auto FS restart. Fine. You might want to keep it on the particular run levels that you are, most especially the run level 5. Check config auto fs on. And to see that, you just want to add a list option to that, just to see the list of the run levels that are on. You see run level 3 is on, run level 4 is on, run level 5 is on. We're running on run level 5 right now, which is the one that run level that has the GUI plus networking and everything, so you're sure it's on, and that's what matters. Alright, you could do this for all of your services as well. Now the next thing to do is to try to log on as an ldap user that we have mounted, which is the ldap user 24. So su hyphen. The reason why I always use hyphen here is so that I can get the home directory of the user that I'm trying to log in as. And the reason why I'm not being prompted for a password is because I have root privileges. I'm logged on as the root. If you have any more questions, you can leave comments below, and or email me your questions, and I'll be sure to reply. Very happy to reply. ldap user 24. Bingo! We're logged in as ldap user 24. Alright? Good. One more thing. Okay, you can check the ID to be sure that it's ldap user 24. It has a group ID. This is the groups and everything. Now, I'll just exit, and what I want to do now is I want to possibility to log on as every I want to make a possibility for every LDAP user to be able to log on here, so that I don't have to start entering their details one after the other. Alright, so we're gonna make an entry in auto.mix, and here we're just gonna remove this ldap user 24 and put a wildcard, so that means like we're making it global right now. And then at the end, I think you just put like a ampersand sign. I think that should work. Let's try it out. Let's restart the service again. So let's try to log in as ldap user 24. Bingo, it works. Exit ldap user. Oh, sorry. Let's log on as ldap user 5. Bingo. ldap user 5 works. Exit. This is try 2 more, so you see this really works. Let's log on as ldap user 15. Bingo. Works. ldap user 15. Now exit. One more. Let's log on as ldap user 20. Bingo. Works. Alright, so that's that. That's all about configuring a client for the ldap server. I hope you understand all of the steps. It's pretty easy as long as you take your time and you watch closely what you're putting in and you run the right commands. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me, leave a comment or send me an email. My email is down there. Once again, this is that Cognoscenti out here for GVN. I hope this has been really interesting and easy for you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.